Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Wednesday, the 9th of September 2021, where in just a few minutes I'll tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Michael Thompson, in the studio this afternoon for Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 closed down 0.25% today to 7,512 points. It was pulled down mostly by resources stocks and consumer staples, as well as a poor lead-in from the US following concerns about the economic recovery over there. Locally, though, it was a rough day for the gold diggers. The price of the precious metal fell below $1,800 an ounce after hitting a 4-week high late last week, and off the back of stronger US bond yields. St Barbara traded ex-dividend and fell 6.1%. Northern Star, West Gold Resources and Silver Lake Resources all closed down around the 5% mark. Market leader Newcrest was down around 3%. I mentioned consumer staples. Coles and Woolies were both down today. Coles' share price dropped 1.7%, while Woolworths closed 1.3% lower. The sell-off also hit some of the discretionary retailers. Four-wheel drive accessory manufacturer ARB was down 4.1%, while online printing marketplace Redbubble was one of the worst performers, down 5.3%. PointsBet, which is definitely more of a discretionary spend than a staple, lost 4.8% today. At the other end of the market, the biggest gains came from investment house Washington H. Soul Pattinson. Its share price hit a new record today of $38.23, up 5.6% for the day. Next best on the bourse was Macquarie Group, which said it expects its half-year profit to nearly double from a year earlier. Macquarie said the 6 months to the end of September might be slightly down from the $2 billion earned during the 6 months to the end of March. Its commodities business has been particularly strong, no doubt in response to higher prices. Its global markets business has also done well, and Macquarie's share price closed up 4.7% today, up around 13% over the past month. Santos Chief Executive Kevin Gallagher said the merger with Oil Search will double the oil and gas producers' low-cost growth projects and spit out cash to fund clean energy ventures. One such venture might be direct air capture, whereby carbon dioxide is essentially extracted and then injected underground in the company's planned carbon storage project in South Australia. Santos is also looking at hydrogen projects in Victoria and in the Northern Territory. Santos's share price closed up 0.5% today. The Aussie dollar is trading at a touch under 74 US cents, and it's worth mentioning Bitcoin today as well. It hasn't been a great day for crypto investors. As Sean mentioned this morning, the price of Bitcoin plunged after El Salvador became the first country to make it legal currency. It's currently worth around $45,000. That's down about 15% in the last 24 hours. Recapping the US markets, which overnight had their first day of trading for the week after the Labor Day long weekend. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was down 0.75%. The S&P 500 dipped 0.3%, while the Nasdaq closed higher but by less than 0.1%. That's it for the afternoon market report for Wednesday, the 8th of September 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Sean Aylmer is back tomorrow morning for the Thursday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Michael Thompson. Enjoy your evening.